If you have manual brakes on your truck, you definitely want a booster, and we've got a lot of different choices in your brake booster master cylinder setups these days. It used to be you just would have a stock booster and stock master cylinder, and that was your only choice. Not these days. My name's David Welch. I'm coming to you from Brothers Tech Center today to break down some of your choices and see what's going to work best on your ride. Now you're just doing a nice decent daily driver. Stock is going to be fine for you, but we want to get a little bit more dressy up in there. We've got stainless steel booster with chrome master cylinder and bracket and proportioning valve. So you get a lot of bling. You also get a smaller booster that's going to give you more clearance and clean it up a little bit there if you're sticking in a large engine, LS, or what have you. Not really into bling, no problem. We got you covered there too with our Midnight, this satin black right here. You'll notice it also comes with a smaller booster to give you more clearance and make you look a little bit cooler up in front. All of these kits are going to be coming with your bracket, your proportioning valve, your bracketry in your back here, and it'll just bolt into all your stock positions. Now let's say, for instance, you've got a low vacuum engine, so it's just not pulling a lot of vacuum that you're going to need for your boosters. What you're going to do then is go with a Hydraboost system. Also, these are going to give you 2,400 to 2,700 pounds of pressure versus 700 to 900 with a booster. So this is going to give you a lot more power to stop, and it's going to clean up your firewall a little bit. There's a few other things you might consider getting with this here at the same time. You got stainless steel brake hose lines, or you could just go the regular rubber. So all these different options, you should check them all out and see what's going to look best for your truck. Now you make sure you check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, because I'm doing these every single week so I can show you all the different ways to get your truck back on the road safely and looking good.